Yes, now next word problems. See here in the word problem, first we have to read the question, then understand, then decide what we have to do, then the method, then the procedure, method, procedure same, then conclusion step. Now here the first question, the computer help desk took 482 calls. How many calls? 482 calls in the month of April. Then 210 of the calls were wrong numbers. So these many are wrong numbers. How many calls were not wrong numbers? Means correct numbers we have to find. Total this many calls they took. Then this many calls wrong calls. Then how many calls are not wrong means correct calls. So then what we have to do? In the total calls, so we have to make minus this 210 calls. Then we will get correct calls. Okay. Now total calls. How many calls? 482. Then wrong calls. How many wrong calls there? 210 wrong calls. Then how many are correct calls? Means not wrong calls. So means we have to minus. Then first this is ones place, this is tens place, this is hundreds place. 2 minus 0. Any number minus 0 is the same number. It means the number itself. 8 minus 1. 8 is a bigger number, we can minus it. Then 2 to 8 we have to count. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Total 7. 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2 is 2. 272. So this many calls are correct calls. Means so number of correct calls. 272. First total calls, in that wrong calls we make minus, then you will get correct calls. Okay. Next, the flute seller at the circus sold 751 flutes last week. He sold 485 flutes this week. Then how many flutes did he sales less this week? So last week number of flutes he sold last week 751. This week 485. Then how many less he sale? How many less he sell this week? He is asking. First number of flutes sale last week. Then flutes sales last week. Last, how many flutes he sells last week? 751. This many flutes he sells last week. Flute sales this week. Flutes sales this week. This week. How many? 485. Then how many flutes he sells less flutes? Means minus, we have to make minus. Then 1 minus 5, it's not possible, we have to take borrow. See this ones, tens and 100. So here it will get 11 and here it will get 4. 11 minus 5, 6. 4 minus 5, again we have to take borrow, here 6, here 14. So here we will decrease 1 and there we will decrease 10. Increase 10. 4 minus 8. 14 minus 8 is 6. 6 minus 4 is 2. 266 less flutes. Then number of flutes he sells less this week. This many flutes he sells less this week. 266. Last week he sells more flutes and this week he sells less. How many? 266 flutes he sells less this week. Then next, Rajini's farms give 609 brinjals. How many? 609 brinjals last year and her farm, and give 516 this year. how many brinjals she grow less? So this is more and this is less. So how many less means we have to do minus. We have to do minus. Now here, so here Rajini's farm gave 609 brinjals last year. This many brinjals. So gave this many brinjals this year. Last year 609. This year 516. This year she gave less brinjals. Yes. Brinjals gave last year. How many? 609. Brinjals gave this year. How many brinjals? 516. 516. Then minus ones, tens and 100. 9 minus 6. 9 minus 6 means 7 to 9 we have to count. 7, 8, 9. It is 3. Then 0 minus 1 is not possible. We have to take borrow. Here it will decrease by 1 means 5. Here it will increase by 10. 10 minus 1 is 9. 5 minus 5, 0. No need to take. So 93 brinjals this year. 93 brinjals she gave less. Then number of brinjals, number of she gave less this year. How many brinjals? 93 brinjals she gave less this year. Okay. So in this way we have to do, we have to read the question, understand and do. Okay. Okay students. Yes, next question. So a balloon vendor had 364 balloons. He sold 207 balloons. Then total balloons 364. Then 207 he sold. Then how many are left? Here how many are left he is asking. So left means we have to do minus. In total balloons, so how many he sold, that many balloons we have to make minus. Then so whatever the answer means, whatever the difference we are getting, so that is number of balloons he left. Okay. Now here total balloons, total balloons. Total balloons. How many balloons are there? 364. In this total balloons, how many he sold? Balloons he sold. Balloons sold. How many? 207. So this many balloons is sold. Then how many are left he is asking. Means we have to find the difference. So 4 minus, this is ones, tens and 100. 4 minus 7 is not possible. Then make minus. Here it will decrease by 1, here increase by 10. 14 minus 7 means 8 to 14 we have to count. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 means 7. 5 minus 0 is 5. 3 minus 2 is 1. Then number of balloons left. Number of balloons left. This many balloons left. 157. Out of this 364, this many balloons is sold. Then this many balloons left. Okay. Next. In this, Abhay had 843 rupees. 843 rupees. So in this amount, 537 rupees he buy a gift for her, for his mother. Then how many rupees are left? So total how many rupees he is having? 843. So in this amount, so how much he spent? 537 rupees he spent. Then how many rupees left? Left with him. Left means we have to do minus. Left means we have to do minus. We have to find the difference. We have to subtract. Okay. Then total amount, how much amount he is having? 843 rupees. Then amount spent, how much amount he spent? 537. He spent 537 rupees. Then how much amount left? Means this is ones place, tens place, hundreds place. We have to find the subtraction. How? From here we have to take carry by 3 minus 7. So we cannot make minus this one. 3 is less number minus bigger number is not possible. So take borrow from the next place. So here you will decrease by 1, here you will increase by 10, here 13. 13 minus 7 is 6. 3 minus 3, same number minus same number, 0. 8 minus 5 means 6 to 8 you have to count. 6, 7, 8, 3. 306. So this much amount left. Amount left rupees 306, that much amount left with him. Okay. Next question. In an auditorium, so this many boys and rest of the girls, so rest are girls, this many boys are there and remaining are girls. Then there are total students, 984 students in the auditorium. Then find number of girls. Okay, here total students given and boys given. We have to find number of girls. Then how to find? In the total students, so we have to minus how many boys are there, that boys we have to make minus. Then you will get number of girls. Okay. Now here total students, total students, how many students are there? 984 students were there. Then boys, number of boys, how many boys are there? 379. Then how many girls are there, he is asking, means we have to find minus, we have to find the difference. Then 4 minus 9, smaller and bigger, so we cannot make minus. This is ones, tens and 100. Take borrow from the next tens. 110 you have to take, 110 means 10 ones. Here 14, here 7. 14 minus 9 is 5. Once you check 14 minus 9. From 10 to 14 you have to count. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. It is 5. So here it is 5. Now 7 minus 7, same number minus same number is difference 0. So number minus itself is 0. 9 minus 3 means 4 to 9 we have to count. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It is 6. 605. 605, it is nothing but our number of girls. Number of girls. 605 girls. Okay. So in this way we have to find number of girls. Okay, students. In this bit more one question is left. That question you do as your home assignment. Now students, here, so brain booster. So again we recapitulate what we did. So here fill in the blanks. The place value of 3 here is, here ones, tens and 100. 3 is in tens place, so that is by 30. The place value of 3 is 30. Now the smallest 2-digit number is, so remember this smallest 2-digit number is 10. 10 as the smallest 2-digit number. 2-digit number starts from 10, 10, 11, 12, 13 like that. So that is why, so at the very beginning what is the number, that is our smallest number. 10 is the smallest 2-digit number. The largest 3-digit number is 999. 3 nines we have to write. Okay. If largest 2-digit number, if we ask 2 nines we have to write. So like that, here 3-digit is asking, so 3 nines we have to write, that is 999. Okay. Next bit, compare the numbers and write. So we have to compare and we have to write. See here, greater than, less than or equal to. So whatever the correct sign we keep in the box. 110, 110 both are same, so equal to sign. 890, 980. Say here in hundreds place 8 is there, in hundreds place 9. 8 is smaller, so less than. 890 is less than 980. Here 667, 776. In hundreds place 6, in hundreds place 7. 6 is smaller, 667 is less than 776. Now 522 and 225. Here 5 is there, here 2 is there. So which one is the least? 5. It is less. 522 is less than 225. Next. 430, 403. Here 4 in hundreds place both are equal. Next we have to see tens place. In tens place 3 is there, here 0 is there. In between 3 and 0, 3 is greater. So 430 is greater. So already we did, so like that we have to do. Okay. Now write the words in numerals. In the words it is given, so we have to write in the numerals. See here. 226, 226, 226. Okay. 453, 453, like this. 487, 487. Okay. Now 395, 395, 395. In this way we have to write in words. Now here numerals are given, we have to write in words. So first this in ones, tens and hundred. 362, 362, 62. The same ones, tens and hundred. 421, 421, 420. Okay. Now ones, tens, hundred. 297, 297. Okay. Next ones, tens and hundred. 935, 935. Okay. So numerals in words, words in numerals. Okay. Okay students. So here next, see here fifth question. Here some words are given in this, some number names are given. So these number names are in jumbled, we have to write in correct form. We have to write in correct form. See here T S X I Y, it means 60. S I X T Y, 60. S I X T Y, 60. So we have to write in correct order. Now here W N T E T Y. So here it is actually 20. T W E N T Y, 20. T W E N T Y, 20. Correct form. R F T O Y means F O R T Y, 40. F O R T Y, 40. Next N N I E Y T, it is N I N E T Y, 90. N I N E T Y, 90, it is 90. So in this way we have to make the words correct. Okay. Now so write the numbers in expanded form. This we have to write in expanded form. 488. This is ones place, tens place, 100. 4 is 100, 400. 8 is in tens place, 80, and 8 is in ones place, 8. 400 plus 8, t plus 8. Okay. 355. This is ones, tens, 100. 3 is in hundreds place, 300. 5 is in tens place 50 and 5 is in ones place 5. Now ones, tens and 100, 3 is in hundreds place 300 and after that 9 is in tens place 90 and 6 is in ones place, that is as it is. Now ones, tens and hundreds, 9 is in hundreds place 900, 6 is in tens place 60 and 3 is in ones place 3. So in this way we have to write this in expanded form. Okay students. Now see here students, enrichment activity. So what is the main aim of this activity? So by doing this activity, so we can know that place value of a number. So means if a place value changed, then what happened? So about if it is there in hundreds place, then what is the place value? If it is there in tens place, then what is the value? Then if it is in ones place, then what is the value? Then what is the comparison between the two numbers? So we know, so by doing this activity, so we are going to learn so which number, how to compare the numbers and about the place values, Then for that what material we require? So the material required is, so number cards from 0 to 9, 0 to 9 number cards. So 4 sets, 4 of each means 0 cards you have to prepare, 0 number card 4 and 1 number cards 2 and 2 numbers card, 1 number cards 4 and 2 number cards 4, 3 number cards 4, 4 number cards 4, 5 number cards 4, 6 number cards 4, 7 number cards 4, 8 number cards 4 and 9 number cards 4. So 4 sets means each number, so we have to prepare 4 cards each numbers. Okay. Then so after that what we have to do? So we have to shuffle 0 to 9, 0 to 9 one set, 0 to 9 another set, 0 to 9 another set, 0 to 9 another set. Total how many sets? 4 sets we have to prepare. So after preparing 4 sets, we have to shuffle the cards. Okay. So in all that 4 sets we have to shuffle the cards. After shuffling the card, what we have to do? We have to select one card from each set. One card from each set. Suppose if first time if we selected, so these 4 cards 1, 2, 3, 4. After selecting these 4 cards, this is the number 3 card, number 2 card and 8 card and 0 card. So like this you got. If you select one card from the first set, that is 3, second card from the second set, that is 2, third card from the third set 8, fourth card from the fourth set is 0. Then in these 4 cards, any one card, so we have to discard it. So we have to keep in dustbin, whatever, that is your wish. So I want to keep this 0 card in the dustbin. Okay. After that, by using this digit, by using these 3 digits, so we have to prepare a largest 3-digit number. How to prepare a largest 3-digit number? See here. So in this, among the 3 numbers, first we have to take this 8, largest number, and smaller than this, that is 2, we have to keep here, and after that 3, after that 2. 8 first, 3 after that and 3 after that and 2 after that. 8, 3, 2. This is the greater and lesser than this is 3 and lesser than this is 2. So in this way we have to arrange our 3-digit number. So we have to prepare a greatest 3-digit number using this. Then what is the number here? 832. What is this? 832. Okay. After that, in the second round also, you have to take any 4 cards again. 4 cards we have to take again. Okay. 1 card from the first, that is 1. If we selected 1 card from that is 4. If we select 1 card from the third set, that is 3. 1 card from the fourth set, that is 5. Then from these cards, any one card you can discard it. So I want to discard this 3. Okay. Now using these 4 cards, 3 cards, not 4 cards, 3 cards, 1, 2, 3. So we have to prepare a greater number. Then how to prepare? So in these three, so we have to see that which one is a bigger first. 5 is a bigger, that we have to write in hundreds place. Then the less than this 5 is 4, that we have to write in tens place. And the smaller, the smallest, very smallest is 1, so that we have to write in ones place. Okay. Like this, using these cards we can prepare a greater number. And this again in the third round you prepare one more, and fourth round, fifth round, sixth round. Total 6 rounds you have to do. How many rounds? 6 rounds. After doing 6 rounds, now you compare which one is the least among this. Among this, first these two numbers we prepared, and in these two numbers which one is the least? 8 and 5 means 5 is the least. This is the smaller number and this is the bigger number. And in the similar way, so you prepare more means more for 4 numbers, and then you compare the 4 numbers, how the 4 numbers are. First find greater number, then after find lesser number. The greater number and lesser number, how to find greater number and lesser number? That depends on the place value. If in hundreds place, whatever the number is smaller, that number is smaller. Whatever number is the bigger, that is the greater number. So it depends on the place value. Okay, you do this activity some more times, then you can perfect in the digits, place values. Okay, students.